Hello my dear friends, today we will be studying about scientific notation. Okay, so always I told you my dear friends, before going to any topics you have to remember the funda. Okay, so listen it very carefully. What is mean by scientific notation? Scientific notation is nothing but the distance, a big distance. Just an example, what is the distance from the earth through sun, earth through moon, okay, or earth to any planet. Okay, how you will be represent the distance in scientific manner. Okay, so we will be discuss this one in a brief manner. Okay, there are two things are there. What are they? First one is called expanded form. The meaning of expanded form is what? A number is given, any number is given, or the distance between the earth to sun is given. Suppose like this, take an example, that is what? The distance must be 1 5 0 0 5 6 7 9 0 2 3 4 9, like this one, and so on it is there, but we will be taking this one as a simplest example. Okay, if this kind of expanded form is given, okay, then how you will be represent this expanded form of this number into the scientific notation. Understood? So what we have to do? First, what you have to do? Whatever the number is there, from the left hand side, keep the first one as a fixed number. After that, put a decimal. Okay? When you put a decimal, then put here multiply symbol and the number 10. Okay? Now count the number. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I will say that the expanded form of this, or we can write in the different column, okay, different row. Okay, what is that? It is 1.50030567900234 into 10 to the power of, how many numbers are there? Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So I will write here 10 to the power of 14. You have to be write like this. Okay, if the expanded form is given, then you can write this one, write the expanded form in scientific notation. Okay, it is very clear now. Only simple thing is that from the left hand side, put the first digit as a fix, then after that put the decimal, then count the digit with that 10 to the power of that number. Why it is 10 to the power of the number? 10 to the power of that number means we can say that we can easily write it if the base will be 10. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Let's have an example. Okay. Another example, take it. Suppose simplest one. Okay. 99,000. Okay. Can you write this expanded form into what? Scientific notation? Yes. First step. Remember the steps. First step. What is the first step? Fix the first digit from left. Means this digit is fixed. Okay. Second step. Okay. After first digit, put decimal symbol, means point. Okay, if you put your point or you keep the decimal point here, then third step is what? Third step is, okay, write the multiplication symbol with 10, means right here multiply and 10. Okay, Now after decimal, after first digit, the decimal will come. Next, count the number of digit after the decimal. Fourth step is count the number of digit after decimal. Okay, means after you keeping the decimal sign. Okay, after the first digit, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Power of 4, and the same numbers will be right here. Okay, though the 3 zeros are there, you can also write as 9.9 into 10 to the power of 4 also. This is the simplest example of convert the expanded form into what? Scientific notation. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good, very good. So let's take another example by following these steps. Okay, so we can say that 27. Okay, 27,010. How you will be expand this one? Step 1, fix the first digit. First digit is 2, fix. After first digit, put decimal symbol. Put decimal symbol. Okay. Then third step is what? Write the multiplication symbol with 10, means into 10. If you keep the decimal, automatically you have to write the multiplication of 10. Then fourth step is what? Count the number of digit after decimal. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power of 4, and the same number will be written here. Understood? So I write here 2.7010 into 10 to the power of 4. Or at the last digit 0 is there, so you can write it 2.701 into 10 to the power of 4. How it is easy, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Now, my dear friends, now this is expanded form to scientific notation. Now the reverse one. How the scientific notation becomes converted into what? Expanded form. Let's see. Take an example, and the steps are all changed here. Okay. So it is already written. That's why I write in short form. Scientific notation to expanded form. Understood, my dear friends? Right here. Example 2.410 into 10 to the power of 3. Suppose this number is there. What you have to do? Tell me. Yes. First of all, what you have to do? Step 1. In power, or you can say that write the digit first, 2410 first. Okay, because the decimal is here. Okay, now shift the decimal to the right place. Okay, right hand side or right place. Right hand side you can write here. Okay, right hand side. Okay, following how many numbers it will shift? Following the number of power or the value of the power, whatever it will be. Now decimal is here. What is the power? 3 is there, no? So after decimal you have to shift it. This number will be shift to 1. You have to count like 1, 2, 3. Now the decimal will be shift to here to here. The expanded form is now 2410. Understood, my dear friends? Here the decimal will be come to the last position. Why? 1, 2, 3. Because the power is 3. Understood, my dear friends? Okay, very good. Let's take another example. We have to follow this step only. Okay? First one is 24789. Okay? 24789 into 10 to the power of 2.4789 into 10 to the power of 4. Now convert this scientific notation into expanded form. So what I said that shift the decimal to the right hand side following the number of power. What is the number of power? 4. Here the decimal is there. Means you have to go right hand side and count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Means after 9 the decimal will come. So 4, 7, 8, 9. Decimal is there, means there is no value is there, 0 is there. So number is 2, 4, 7, 8, 9. This is the answer of what is that? Scientific notation to expanded form. Or how to convert scientific notation into expanded form. Now remember my dear friends, here the power is plus or in negative integer, positive integer. If the negative integer is given, then how you will be write the what? Yes, scientific notation. See, let's see. Now a number is given 2.479 into 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3. Now in the power, what is the sign is there? Minus. Means in power negative integer is there. Yes or no? So the step is okay, shift the decimal to left hand side. Means this is the left hand side. Okay. So first what you have to write? What you have to do? Write the number first. 2479. Where the decimal is there? Here. Okay. Now shift to left hand side. How many numbers you have to take? 3. So here, see, to this side 1, 2, 3, and the decimal will come to here. But remember this one, here nothing is there, means you have to put here 0, 0. Okay. So I write here 0.002479. Here before decimal nothing is there, means it is also 0. So this is the answer, and this is the rule you have to follow, my dear friends. How it is easy, my dear friends? Okay. So my dear friends, if you like my channel, then please subscribe it, and if you have any doubts, then write in my comments so that I will clear your doubts. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.